This video is made adult collectors for age 30+. Viewer description is advised.
What is up, guys? It is your boy Michael here. Welcome back to my Michael unboxing. So today we're going to be this new Yolopark Transformers G1 or the Transformers MK miniseries Wave 2 RC from the movie and the G1 season 3, I guess. So I'm gonna version this one there. So I'm gonna order shopping in the yesterday. So this one the Toys R Us in the Philippines, not the American version or USA. So this one, this 3D models, it looks so good. Not as the toy version like this in the Autobots logo and the side by side. Oh yeah, this is the back one, and this is a rainbow shiny background. It looks so sick. Anyways, 8+, I don't know what this is, right? The Transformers logos or G1 logo, whatever, and it's 11 centimeters in this one. So I'm gonna this one the unboxing, well, this see. So I got side by side, we got a Transformers franchise logo. As good to see. Oh, I'm zooming in. I can't. This is a really tripod that's not moving out. So this one, this Transformers logo is for the franchise here, and this back of the packaging we got the RC is this one that you can combine instruction consigns. That is this one like RODIMUS Prime, Hall, Jazz, RC, Proud, and Cliff Jumper. I can't wait for the see in this Transformers Waifus and became in the series Wave 3 with the dog and the moon, Optimus Prime, and Megatron. This looks like green version of a Unique Toys Desperado version. I don't like it, this Bayverse version. I want a G1 version, this one, the two G1 characters of this one there was in, so definitely. And then we got the side by side, we got front to the back or the whatever. This is the Autobots logo. Let's call the Autobots logo, and the shiny with the construction is what size, the 11 inches or 11 centimeters, whatever. And this is kind of the side by side. We got this the Transformers or G1 logo, Yolopark, and we got this nothing else, the improvement. This is kind of the same. This is the H+, for the H+, whatever. I'm gonna see if you do like this video, smash the like, subscribe button, notification bell for the notify for the latest videos. Alright, let's go. So I'm gonna say mini cutter. This one is so cute, and I don't know why. Look at this, putting those so carefully. I'm just so confused with the stickers. And this one, how many little yeah, thank you. I'm gonna this one the back on. So let's get it pulling on. Okay, let's go. I'm excited. Oh my beautiful. Oh, we got the card. Oh shoot, we got a card. Hell yeah, let's go. I don't know what RC one. This is RC instructions. Alright, let's get into that. So I'm gonna try this, the RC. The background rainbow looks so good, and it's shiny rainbow. And this with Autobots back on the side for the logo, and that's the coolest images of the looks. And like this is a 3D models, not model kits for the toys. This one, these visit us, where you get a QR code, where you get a scan, whatever you want. Okay, I'm gonna with this one with RC when it's parked up this free bodies of them. So I'm gonna save it then. Oh wow, I'm gonna put in this one RC mode, and here we go. Yeah, you guys see that? Alright, let's get building up. Okay guys, so I'm finishing with the building with RC MK miniseries Wave 2 from Transformers G1 for RC. So I'm gonna, this is a real looks at the details for my RC, so looking for information, the details, it looks so sick. And it's pretty amazing, this accuracy. I don't know what kind of, this is looks like the cartoon version, and this is one these looks like, there's nothing the lipstick in it, that's not the cartoon animated version on this lips. There's not a color lipstick this one. The red lipstick, that's not how much the painting works from the Yolopark. This is so bad. And this the Autobots logo looks so cool, and this will put it like a sticker. So you know what? This is the body tag. This is the communicator, and this looks like it's driving the car, the Cybertronian car, and it is color pink, and this one the white. We got the gray, and this is there's no how much the pretty much well it is anyway then. So we got a back end on this one here, and they got this wings on here with the so flying around, and there's a back on. They say, ooh, look at this is gonna be so hotty. And this one the fits looks like gray tactical engineering engine. This one here, and this got a ball joints. This metal, and this face is blue eyes and looks so beautiful. How much they didn't know where it was coming out. This one the plastic model. This not flexible with this one. It fits the joints. This one no butterfly joints everywhere. I don't know why that. That was so really good. And with the I don't know this one here. So I'm gonna version this one is these accessories with the open hands that they don't know why this is the version of this hands on with open hands. It was so great. The looks and painted details in this one, the model kits and I already got into details in the head sculpt. So we got the hand blaster. So the blood is so bad. How much can you focus on? Okay, so we have the dual pistol or a blaster with something. For the dual blaster, this looks like I don't know what happened to the grips on this one. Not on the single, the holding hands. Then this battle of Decepticons, and then this one here. And you guys see the fist hands and the looks. So there's details here. So we got the details on this one here. I'm gonna this one. So I'm gonna holding this with grips and then holding that. Then putting on with the grips. Ow! There we go. That's the pulling on. And we got the another one. Oh, this is the fit to this so badly. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Anyway, see this one. Okay. The blur and it's like this is over my cameras. This is my phone. It's not all. And we got the blaster this posting on there. Then we got the blaster on this. So I don't know why the RODIMUS Prime. This is a love triangle, and it's like the golden, the shiny silver. So it looks so amazing. It's painting job with the Yolopark and this one. The problem the Optimus Prime or the Iron Blaster is neither the fits on the small. This is not here, but this is the weapons. This the Arcee one. This looks like, and I don't know why this is kind of looks so fit, and this does not have the head scolded. The head skull details. It looks like that. I mean, look at this, and it is like that. We got a back on one of it. So we got this. Not another fit. This is plastic, pink, white, and you know, it's kind of gray. This one I call it pink. It's a painting job as well for the Yolopark. This one, and this one accuracy and the particularly or articulation and this one. Okay, guys, so articulation time. So we got this right one for this left one. This wings. We got the side by side for the left one, and the side by side to the right. We got this on. So head one, so they got the space one there. I don't know why this the little bit. This is this one there. We gotta break a shoulder on this one, and the up a little bit heavier up and down. Well, I used to does not fit the ball joints. The problem that Yolopark does not really fit. This not as well. And okay, I'm gonna pull it off on this one. So this head. Articulation, the rotation 360. Rotation is 360. And it gets up and down. So we're pulling on to the wings. This for the peg, and this is really good. I don't have any one. This one. Then we put it on. Okay, and we got the arms one for the right one. We got the side by side. We got rotation 360. I'm gonna swivel the biceps. We got bicep this one. Oh, we got a bicep. Oh, we got this articulation. The rotation, the 360 for the biceps. This one is ball swings. The elbows, the up and down. Like up and down for this one, and wrist, the wrist one for the hands. Just rotation of 360. We got this one. We got the left one. We got up and down, or side by side for the rotation. Rotation for 360. The biceps. We got a biceps one. That's not a helmet fits. Rotation of the 360, and the biceps, the up and down. The elbows for the up and down. The rotation biceps looks so good. Anyway, the hands one for the left. For the rotation 360 looks accurate. It looks so sick. Anyways, my beautiful waifu. I see. This one of those kind of. Oh wait, of this. The crunching chest. The up and down. And the swivel side by side of this one. Turn around the swivel. That's not a side by side for this. The side by side, up and down. They swivel this one. Okay, the legs one to the right one. Okay, we got the side by side. We got the rotation. Oh, we're gonna up and for the arms. We got rotation for the 360 and rotation and arms or any legs one. Okay, we got rotation. A little bit. I can't fit this one. This problem the Yolopark. That's not a really good one. Rotation. I got 360. Doesn't look a little bit the heaviest thing I ever seen. I don't have any appreciated this. Oh, shoulders for the up and down for this one, and up and down to the feet. Rotation 360, and the swivels. Really does not fit this one though. Okay, we got the side by side rotation, up and down. With the up and down. Oh wait, we got 360. I can't fit this one. Rotation the 360 with this looks doesn't feel so good. With this thing, shoulders with up and down. This up and down. Look at up and down this one. We got the fits one. The left ones, the accuracy for this rotation, the 360, the swivels, this one, the swivel. I don't have this one. This looks bigger. This looks so good. Anyways, I really don't have the triumph. They got this one, the accuracy, the chest, the crunchy. The crunchy. This one looks so. The chest is so. This is so amazing. I don't know why this one, because the biggest one. I don't know how big this one. I have a silver ruler because of the really size, the inches, the. Okay, so we have these size one. What is this one? We got the 5 or whatever this one. Okay, 4.8 inches. We got the 11 inches, and this one is the 11.2 of them. 2 centimeters. So this one that's not a real deal. Okay, size comparison. We have the Optimus Prime from the MK miniseries Wave 1. It looks bigger than Optimus Prime though. And then Optimus Prime for the level interest. Ooh, that's pretty exciting. Okay, so I got this one, the extra, this one, wait, with RC card, this one. I'm gonna put the back and this one aside. I don't know why this is kind of this pretty sick though. So I'm gonna give you RC the figures model kits is giving it a 7.5 out of 10. It is really good. And this is one of the good figures, and this one model kits. It doesn't matter. This is fit to this one. Okay. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave it a like it and subscribe to the channel, notification bells for the notified for the latest videos. Follow us on social medias. And we go. The next one will be the Jazz Cliff Jumper Howled Proud. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy your like it for this one video. See you there on my next video. Bye. Peace.